cameraman here, folks. We got Stuntman over here. Ladies and gentlemen, it's hot as hell, but we're not one of these channels. Stop walking up on me, man. What are you doing? Bing! 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 We're not one of these channels that goes and complains about how hot it is. You could fry an egg on the ground, blah, blah, blah. But it is 95 degrees, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to complain a little bit. Yeah, it's hot.
I ain't a prima donna.
Stuntman,
That's all I gotta say.
He was running
just because I'm all good looking with nice hair doesn't mean I'm a prima donna.
Yeah, well, he kind of is a prima donna. But I gotta hand it to him. He drove around all last week with no AC in his truck. The belt broke. Didn't have time to. What are you doing? You go to fix your hair and you mess up the mirror.
I don't even gotta touch it.
Put the mirror back.
Don't even have to touch it. All right, listen. A couple of years complained that we talk too much or something, so we're gonna make this quick. Get over here!
Wow.
It's got a V8, it's got no battery.
Now, ladies and
It's
gentlemen.
95 degrees out.
Yeah, we don't
So
complain.
all
on
you're
this
sitting,
channel.
in fact, for this video, the only way you're watching it is if you're watching without your AC on. So you can feel how I feel.
Wow. Folks. Now, we got a special treat here.
Now let me tell you something, shut up! Because now I'm pissed, because you brought up how I did drive the last 3 weeks with no air conditioner. You want to know why? My AC takes a shit. I didn't have time to look at it. I'm driving around on my... If I go down there, it's going to kill half a day. I can't kill half a day because I got to make money.
My God.
I go down there. It was the belt.
You think he'd open the hood and look?
3-minute job, and I drove aroround for 3 weeks, sweat my ass off.
You could have opened the hood and looked. I mean, what's wrong
I
with
was
you?
lazy.
Hold on, I gotta clean this lens, folks.
Get over here.
Think I do that first? Oh, what a treat. Don't rev it up. She's a banging and a clanging, ladies and gentlemen. Listen. How many miles on this unit? Hold on. Let it idle. Oh, that thing's ready to go. Oh, it's ready to go.
This is going to be a twosome. Because I'm not into threesomes. It's going to be a twosome.
All right.
And it's a family channel.
To each his own.
We're going to beat on it. We're going to beat on it.
That's what she said.
So we're not going to just do a motor blow. I'm going to beat the shit out of it, rocking horses. I'm going to do a no mercy reversing, maybe 50 miles an hour and whatnot, because we flew down to Mexico for this one. Okay, I'm going to do it, and I'm going to try and blow it up as I'm beating on it.
All right, already.
So it's a 2-for-1, everybody.
And the mileage, folks.
180.
She's got a $180. She's the Grand Marquis. The Grand Marquis.
I'm going to start it off.
She's the Grand Marquis.
I'm going to start it off. I'm going to start it off with an at speed, no mercy reverse.
And it's the GS. Good stuff, folks. Good stuff. What's he going to start it with? I wasn't even listening. Who listens to him? I don't listen to him. Blah, 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 blah. All right, let's see if he can pull something off here. Man, I'm going to try and stand in the shade. I'm not one to complain about the heat.
Give me my call.
What you got, Stuntman? Ooh, ooh. All right, folks. This trick can only be performed once. We'll see what happens here. Oh, that motor, you can hear it from here. Ooh, ooh. She puked out. Bobby's got it back up. This thing's screaming, folks. It's tired. It's tired. Yeah, this thing's tired. Let's see if we can get a power break out of it. One last power break. Come here, pull it over here. All right, pull it up in the shade so I don't sweat. Right here, shady. Please start.
Well, guess what? This is why you watch this channel. I'm not quitting the channel.
Don't quit.
But we always have backups. Are the keys in that car?
Yeah, but
Does that car start?
I think she does. Let's see. Hold on. Let's see if you can get it to start. Just try.
Try?
Yeah.
You know how embarrassed I am?
He's very embarrassed. Up, up. Come on. Come on, you son of a gun. Ooh, as soon as it starts, you got to redline it. It's going to start, folks. Have faith. Everyone cross your fingers on the channel right now. All the neutral droppers. It's going to start. Never give up, folks. That's the motto on this channel. He gave up.
Does that thing start?
Yes, it does.
You think I'm gonna leave my neutral droppers with pool balls? I don't think so.
Oh my God.
No.
What is he even talking about on this channel? Get that plate off, please. Look, he even runs. Look, he even runs, folks. Ladies and gentlemen, sometimes they just aren't the best performers. But I have a funny feeling that this bad boy right here is gonna do us proud.
I need a jumper. Cut it.
Oh, hold on. We'll be right back after these brief messages. All right, folks, he's walking over with the booster. Safety pole, safety tree. Never know when you need them.
How about this? Come here.
Wow, he's mad.
How about this for servicing the neutral droppers? I got the same car, same color.
Same color and everything.
Same color and everything.
We could have fooled everybody if we
Same
weren't
color and everything.
honest.
Okay?
Here's the other one with the
So
hood
now
up.
I gotta bring out the big guns. I gotta bring out the big guns. Okay?
Roll the windows down before you kill yourself.
Oh, oh, oh!
Hold on, hold on. Oh, he's all angry. He's making up for it. He loves you guys, that's why. The safety wall over there, ladies and gentlemen. Hold on. Oh boy. Wow. What a smooth transition.
fan right there.
We got a fan.
Woo! This is how you gain fans, everybody. This is how you gain fans. This is how you gain fans.
This is how you gain lung cancer.
Okay, you gain a little lung cancer, you get rubber lung, but you gain fans. You got a nice young man down there who's enjoying the
Let's go
festivities
say hello.
live. Nothing going on here, strip.
Flip that plate. Flip that plate. All right. Want to say hello to the fans? I think he lost the tire. I think he lost the tire.
Oh, shit.
Look at that smokage.
Might have lost something else. What happened to my tire?
Oh, shit.
You know my channel?
Nah, which one are you? Look, I follow on this one. They have to say hi.
You don't follow those guys. You follow Neutral Drop. Come on.
Don't tell them. Unfollow them now.
Unfollow them, man. They gotta go. They gotta go.
I'm about to unfollow.
No, he's unfollowing them.
On Instagram?
Well, YouTube.
Go to YouTube.
Okay,
That's where
we
we're
go
at.
to YouTube.
Ah, ladies and gentlemen.
Wow, man, I heard that shit from all the way down the block. I said, I gotta see this shit.
I'm glad that the Mexican police didn't hear it, because we're in Mexico right now. How do you like Mexico, by the way?
Man, shot horrible. I hate it over
It's
there.
hot. He hates Mexico.
What is it called?
Neutral.
Always got the weapon.
NEUTRAL space drop. It should come up.
Got you,
Boom.
neutral drop. Got
Boom.
you.
That's him right there.
Oh shit!
That good-looking son of a bitch right there is me.
I got you. I'm about to go. All right, guys.
I'm in. Have a good safe weekend, bro.
You too. All
We're
right.
from the neighborhood too.
Got you, baby. All right, baby.
All right, be good, bro.
Yes, sir.
All right, start her up.
Well, there you have it. Whether it's on the internet, Instagram, YouTube's, whatever, we're gaining subscribers.
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna see if we can park this thing. I mean,
I don't think she's stuck. Something may have occurred.
oh no! Park it! Oh. Maybe that pop-up in the trunk went up. All right, ladies and gentlemen, hit the notification bell. Check us out. Where do you get to see it?
And all
Nowhere.
you neutral droppers, don't go home with blue balls. No, you know what?
Oh, folks, let me see if I can spin this around. I'm not really that technologically savvy. Ladies and gentlemen, we ain't playing out here, as you know. We're gonna hook this thing and book it. And hang in there, folks. More to come. More to come on the Neutral Job channel, ladies and gentlemen. And we are out. Don't forget to subscribe. We're growing like crazy, folks. We out.